Hey guys, I'm going to reset the service interval. So there's a two-way to reset the oil change service. So one is you can reset from the MMI, and another one you can reset the oil change service using your scanner, diagnostic scanner. So but in MMI you can't reset the inspection service, but on diagnostic scan tool you can reset this inspection service. So first I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil change service, so using the MMI. So first we go back to the home page. So this is the first home page. So this is your rotary button. So rotate to the car menu, then press the rotary button, and then you can see there's a 3 lines on your left hand side. This one there. So you're gonna have to press this one like that. Then it'll come to another menu. So again, using rotary button, you can scroll down to service and check, and again pressed, and again scroll down to service intervals. Now you can see the service intervals. So I'm gonna press again. Yep. So you can see now oil change has been due, and the inspection has been due as well. So I can now, so you can see this tab reset oil change service. But now I can reset the oil change service but not the inspection service. So I'll just press the reset oil change interval using this rotary button. And do you want to reset the oil change interval? Yes. So now you can see next oil change in 15,000 kilometers or 365 days. So oil change is reset but not the inspection service. So we can reset the inspection service using the diagnostic scanner as I see it. So now we'll see how to reset the inspection service using the diagnostic scanner. So I already connect my diagnostic interface to the diagnostic connector. So you can see here diagnostic scan already picked my vehicle VIN number. So I'm gonna cancel login. So start in diagnosis. So repeat the old Audi and Audi Q7 2017, and model year is 2018, SUV, and engine type. So I don't know the engine code, so I'll check the engine code. So the service book, and in the service book you can see here there's a vehicle data page. Engine code is CEZZ. This one, CEZZ. So we look for here CEZZ. CEZZ. I got two versions. One is CEZZA, one is CZB. So one is 160 kilowatt and one is 155 kilowatts. So I'll have a look again the vehicle data page. You can see this one 160 kilowatt here, 160 kilowatt. So I'm gonna select the 160 kilowatt and apply. And I'm gonna do here no. So now it'll scan all the control modules. Complete and continue. Complete and continue. Complete and continue. Okay, so I came to the main menu, which is test plan. So you can see there's some fault code as well. So I'm not gonna worry about the fault codes for the moment. So we'll go for special functions, and special functions, scroll down to bottom. So you can see now maintenance fix interval. There's a tab inspection with oil change, which is 15,000 kilometers. So I'm gonna perform that test plan. So click on the perform test. And yes. So it will show you current mileage, current date, and service exit distances and service exit time. So completed. And should the inspection oil change every 15,000 kilometer display for oil change service and inspection service be reset. The oil change service set to 15,000 kilometers, the inspection service set to 15,000 kilometers. So this plan, so it will be reset the oil change service and well as inspection service as well. So I'm gonna hit yes. And the inspection with oil change every 15,000 kilometer was successfully reset. In following adaptation channel for the inspection with oil change every 15,000 kilometer are checked for correct adaptation and corrected if necessary. Complete and continue. So end of program, complete and continue. Yep, that's it. So when you scroll down to bottom, you can see there's a green tick mark. You can see here, it's a green tick mark. So that means, so that's performed that adaptation, completely without any error. Now you can see the inspection service is reset to 15,000 kilometers or 365 days.